The identifier here for the black surf perch is this little dark mustache right here. A lot of people call them rubber lips, but this isn't a rubber lip perch. That's a totally different animal from up north. Some people call them a butter lip, but you can always identify them with this black mustache. And a lot of times down here they got purple colors or blue along the back. You see that real common. But they come in a bunch of different versions, but the identifier for me is that little dark mustache on the upper lip right there.
So what are your favorite ways to do panfish?
You can fry them whole, you can steak them and use them in soup. Very mild white meat, but it's a little on the soft side. So anything you can do to leave the skin on and keep the meat a little more firm is usually what I prefer. Especially with the true surf perch. The opal eyes are a little different, but opal eye, half moon, sargo, they're all have a lot firmer meat than most surf perch. So you want to use a method that keeps them as whole as you can. Yeah, the scales definitely want to stick on this one more than that white surf perch.
Alright, we have the black perch. We're going to fillet this guy up. So I'm going to take it right behind this fin, come in here. One fillet. Flip it over. There we have it, one filleted fish. You can see through, not much meat on these bones. We are gonna save this fish and put it in the freezer for some stock. We're gonna make ourselves some bomb fish stock from now on. Here are the fillets. We are going to keep the skin on and try and fry it up, but that's it, that's our fish. All right, now the moment of truth. We have our black perch. There it is. And this black perch has been in my refrigerator dry aging for 7 days. I heard this is better raw. So like I said on the other trash fish videos, we're doing an experiment to see if it's better cooked raw. And even if it is better raw, we're trying to cook it anyways, just so we understand the texture and the flavor profile. If we do want to put these in a dish, say we want to do a seared nigiri or something like that at home, just want to see what the flavor profile is. Definitely probably not the best way to cook these fish, but gotta experiment sometimes. So here it is, let's try it out. This has been cooked with just butter, no salt or anything else. Definitely is easy to cut with the fork. Interesting. That has, texture-wise, it definitely sits in between an opal eye and a white perch. The opal eye being super mushy and the white perch being a pretty solid texture. This sits around the middle. Flavor profile, it almost splits the difference between the white perch and the opal eye as well. It has a little more flavor than the opal eye, but not as much as the white perch. So it's right in the middle. I still feel like it's a little bit on the mushier side of what I would like. I think cooked might not be the way to go for the black perch. This might just be one where I think you can blowtorch on some nigiri or make it as a sashimi or make it as just something raw. Well, that does it for this episode of us trying a trash fish. The black perch, it's not bad. It's not bad. Go try one for yourself. Let me know what recipe you like. If you've tried this in the past and you've done a really good cooking of it or you like it a certain way, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. And until next time, keep those lines tight, everyone. See ya.